Hello everyone, a customer here. He came with these devices. It's about like 5 of them. Smoking device, and all of them they have the bad charging port, and I think this one may have the bad battery. Already fixed this one. You can see it is charging. And I took this one apart. This charging port is going to need to be replaced, but I don't have this. I used all the ones that look like this one, so I'm going to need to order some, but this one here still can be used. Yeah, the connector inside still good, and the back still good. So we're gonna at least we make him another one or two. So there is a 4 screws that's holding this motor. This charging port looks good too, so we can use this one as well. So we're gonna have like 3 of them fixed. That's good. Push this one down, then we'll lift it from here. Yeah, I used to fix a lot of this one, like maybe 6-8 years ago. Tons of these devices. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. So this one here is missing one pin. It's missing one pin over there. So let's go to the microscope and we can see it more clear. So here I soldered the battery back. Let's test it. Still on. You can see. The battery is charging. So this one is fixed. Let's put it together. Let's pick the best case. Then the one is looks bad. That's the one is in case if we can fix the last one. Put this side first. Alright, this one is good to go. And start charging. So there is 2 done. And there is two more the same kind. And this one it has a bad battery. Gonna check this one to see if we can replace the battery or we use it just for part or something like this. So I still have one charging port that's as good. Gonna use it in one of this, and one charging port is completely bad. I got 4 of them fixed, all these ones here. I use the charging port from this one because this one has a bad battery. So you can see it is charging, so all of them are good. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next one.